In today's SurveySensum review, I'm going to walk you through this software itself. I'm going to show you everything step by step and everything you need to know. So, what is actually SurveySensum? SurveySensum is actually a tool that helps you build and launch customer survey plus analyze feedback to take actionable steps to improve your business. SurveySensum can create and send customer survey via email, WhatsApp, social media, SMS or URL. Easily analyze survey data and get notification in real time and address customer issue. So who's actually suitable for this SurveySensum? Okay, it's actually suitable for customer support professional, UX manager, and online branding looking for customer feedback experience. So without wasting much time, let us just walk you through this platform itself. Okay, what you're looking at is actually SurveySensum platform. In the center, where you can actually create your survey. Okay, and on top, you can actually have some navigation on all survey, dashboard, contacts, and settings. And on the left, you have the sub navigation for survey and archive survey. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to create a new folder. Okay, in any case, you have like different departments or different products for if you need survey or different type of audience or client. You can create a folder and then and then you can actually allocate to different folder for different client or products. Okay, so after that you can create your first survey by clicking here. Okay, so there's actually different types of survey templates. On the left, you can actually see there's actually customer experience, okay, survey, product experience survey, employee experience survey. Okay, so for customer experience, you can actually have NPS, stars, rating survey, customer effort score survey, customer satisfaction survey, satisfaction with contact center, satisfaction with customer service agent. Or product experience is you can actually have new feature satisfaction survey, website exit, NPS feedback, product market fit, onboarding feedback, or even employee experience is employee onboarding, employee engagement 360 and feedback, or exit interview. Okay, so for this demo, let me create a customer satisfaction survey. All right. So once you click into that, you can actually name your survey. For this demo, I just use my own name. Okay, so you can actually choose the language via English or Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, so just press create. Right after that, this is actually the platform where you can actually edit your survey. Okay, so on top, you can actually see step by step. Okay, here is actually build, share, integration, report, and text analysis, which I'm going to go through. So on the left, you can actually see the editor. You can actually do appearance, survey settings, and translation. Okay, so on editor mode, you can actually edit either the first one or the second one. Okay, so by editing the content here, you can actually press settings. Okay, so you can actually press into settings, and then right now you can actually write any, or you can actually rewrite anything which you want. Okay, up to your business or up to your company. For this example, I'll just put in my name. So from there, it will actually change immediately. So you can actually see how it looks on the right side. Okay, so there's actually customer brand appearance as well. You can click onto that. You can actually add your own customer brands or upload your logo. Okay, so there's also some advanced customization, which is you can actually have the advanced customization on the left text, not satisfied at all, on the right, extremely satisfied. So all these things you can also change. Okay, so on the set scale, you actually have 1 to 5, 1 to 7, or 1 to 10. Okay, and then there's also some follow-up questions. Follow-up questions, so you can actually input your follow-up questions. You can toggle it off and on. Okay, so once you actually do all these settings, okay, the next one you need to edit is appearance, which is actually here. Okay, you can actually create your own theme, or you can actually use the theme which actually provided by SurveySensum. Okay, so there's actually couples of interesting theme. So let's use this theme itself, so you can actually feel how is it like. Okay, if you do not like, you can always change it back. Okay, so from there, this is actually the appearance. So there's actually some save theme, which if let's say you want to save a theme, you can use this, or you can actually modify your own theme here. So everything is actually, you'll be able to modify. Alright, so for the setting itself, you can actually disable the back button, hide question in survey, you can actually show progress bar, or survey submission. Okay, so you can actually allow partition survey, submissions of survey, you can toggle on and off, allow multiple submission per respondent. Okay, or survey access. Okay, you can actually put password protected, or allow open access, or by invitation. Okay, or you can actually customize message with responder revisit a previously completed link. Okay, or you can actually limit the total number of response for this survey, or you can actually put expiry date. Okay, so there's also some default message of survey link expiration. Okay, then you can actually custom message of survey link expiration also. Alright, so there's actually couples of settings which you can actually adjust at your end. So there's also survey throttling, not allowing same responder to receive this survey again in time period you specific. So you can actually check, you can actually send, you can actually adjust all these things. Alright, so it's very convenient. Okay, so this is actually the basic survey setting itself. So the translation itself, there's actually a couple of language you can actually add in. Okay, so you can actually adjust everything here. You can also import, or you can actually add in. Okay, so there's also import history, so you can actually see the history. Alright, so right after you edit everything, your appearance is done, survey setting is done, or even the language is also done. So you're actually happy with the appearance. What you need to do next is actually go to the share column. Okay, so once you hit to share, okay, so you can actually send under email, share via CRM, okay, share under social link, QR code, embed in website, Outlook add-in, or you actually unique link. Okay, or you can actually copy this link, you can actually share to anyone else. Okay, so by CRM, let me just show it to you. You can actually share via HubSpot, Salesforce. If let's say you can't find any of your CRM, you can actually request here. Okay, so actually configure and then copy the link, and then you can also embed the survey in your email as well. Okay, so also by social link. Okay, by social link right now it's actually Facebook or Twitter, or you can actually go into the QR code and then send from there. Alright, so moving after you actually do the second step, which is actually share, you can actually move on to integration. Okay, so for integration, you can actually integrate into email notification, HubSpot, Slack, Intercom, Zapier. So this is actually the majority of the integration you can actually integrate to. Okay, so after integration, you can actually go into the report. Alright, so for report, there's actually an overview report and summary survey metrics, and actually some comments. Okay, so right now there's of course no report because there's actually no inputs of it. Okay, so but under report you can see an overview, survey metrics, and also comments. Okay, then right after that you can actually go to the last step is text analysis. Okay, so for you can actually see there's also no response, so you can actually see the train comments and text analysis. Okay, so basically this is how easy and efficient SurveySensum actually works. Okay, so bring you back to the main dashboard itself. So this is actually the survey which I created earlier on. Okay, from there you can actually build, you can actually edit any of the things, or you can actually share, integration, report, and text analysis. So all these things is actually a shortcut over here. Okay, then essentially you can actually clone it, move it, or archive it. Okay, so if any case you want to delete it, okay, you will not see any delete button. So I'm going to show it to you how you're going to delete this survey. Okay, you can actually move to archive first. Okay, so they'll ask you, are you sure? And go ahead to archive, and go into the archive survey. Okay, click back to this, and then this is actually how you delete your survey. Okay, so right now on dashboard itself, okay, you can actually create your own dashboard. Just click into that. Okay, you can actually add in reports, whichever reports you want. You can actually select the survey first. Okay, so I will just go back to the survey, and I will just add in the survey first. All right, give me a moment. Unarchive. So on dashboard, just add report, add in the survey. This is the survey. So you can actually see that there's actually different types of report you can actually add in. Okay, you can actually add in CSAT score, detail, the trend, scale, the response, text box, long short text, word cloud, column chart, bar chart, pie chart, trending, tag, okay, and sentimental overall. So this is actually the report you can actually add in at your end. So by very easy, just add into the dashboard. Okay, so you can actually see the overall of whatever report you actually add in. So let me add in a few more so you can actually have a better understanding. And you can actually add in this and report. Okay, so anytime you can actually see an overview. Once you click into dashboard, you can see an overview of your survey which you create. Okay, so you can actually name it. You can actually custom range it today, yesterday, 7 days, this month, last 90 days, these days, or you can actually add filter to it as well. Okay, so this is actually the filter you can actually add into. All right. Okay, so moving on, after your dashboard, you can actually see there's actually another navigation called context. Okay, so this is actually the way you can actually import your context. Okay, you just click into here. You can actually import via CSV, or you can actually add contact manually. Okay, you just input the names, email, phone number, or select contact list also. Okay, so you can actually have contact under active, unsubscribe, or bounce email, and then you can actually manage your contact list. You can actually create a new list here and manage their property. Okay, and manage the import as well. Okay, so this is actually basic under context itself. Okay, so last and foremost is actually the information on your own settings. Okay, so you can actually edit all your information, basic information, your organization settings, branding. Okay, your branding, you can create your own branding as well. All right. Okay, so under setting, there's also user management. You can actually let your entire team in. You can actually invite the user, the whole team. You can send them an email and give them a role, and then you can actually add others as well. All right. So for subscription, this is actually right now I'm actually using a free subscription for this demo. So the account usage, survey throttling, integration, and apps. So that's actually the integration which I actually show it to you. Okay. So in any case, if you want to learn how to add integration, that's actually a help button, and you can actually create apps here. Okay. You can also learn how to create apps by clicking here. Then you actually learn how to create apps. All right. Okay, let me return to our survey. Okay, so basically this is actually SurveySensum. It's a very, very simple platform. It's easy to use. Okay, so if let's say if you are interested in this product, it's actually an Appsumo product. Okay, so let me show you the Appsumo Deal itself. All right. Okay, and right now in tier 1 it's actually $59. So you actually receive up to 250 response per month, 5,000 email, unlimited survey, unlimited user, and open API. And if let's say you want to receive more response, of course you actually upgrade to tier 2 with 1,000 response and 1,500 email per month. Okay, if let's say you want to upgrade to more, okay, 5,000 response, 30,000 email per month. Okay, so the survey and user OPN API is actually the same across all tiers. Okay, so basically SurveySensum is actually alternative product called InMoment. Okay, InMoment is actually charging you per month. Okay, if let's say you're an individual or a company, of course saving cost is very important. So I will strongly suggest you actually get this SurveySensum at actually a one-time fee of $59 to $177. Okay, remember this is actually a lifetime deal. It's not a monthly deal. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this SurveySensum, I will put a link in the description box. Go ahead and use my link. I will earn a commission, but of course it will not affect any of the price here. Okay, this is just to support this brand new channel itself. Okay, so I actually hope you actually learn something from me, how to use this SurveySensum to create your own first survey to have a better customer experience for your company or your actually website itself also. Okay, so if let's say you enjoy review of watching review of software, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and remember to use my affiliate link. Okay, so till the next video, I will see you guys. Enjoy, take care, goodbye.